Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as in the previous video, we have discussed about filing ITR2 using the old tax regime. So today in this video, we will be filing the ITR2 using the new tax regime. So let's start the video. So the format is same for ITR2 using the old tax regime and the new tax regime. We need to file the same columns as you can see. Only main difference is here is that you will not get any deductions, because in the old regime you get deductions, but in the new regime up to 7 lakh you will not get any deduction. After 7 lakh you will be taxed at the tax rate. So let's get started with the video, guys. So first one is general information. Just click on it. You do not need to do anything here, just check all the things. Yes, in this column you need to change. So do you want to exercise option of 115 BSE opting out of new tax regime? So in the previous video we have done yes, because we want to file the return using the old tax regime. But in this video we'll select on no, as because we'll file using the new tax regime. So we'll select no here, resident, and here we will select the first option. You are in India for 182 days. Other options are all already clicked no. Whether you are an FPI, you will select simply no in our case. Others option are correct. Click on save. Just validate the bank account which is connected to a link to your account. In our case it is validated. You just need to click confirm. So the first column is completed. So now salary, click on it. So in the gross salary option, click on add other. Just put the name of the employer. In our case it is Amul. Address of the employer, but no. In nature of employee, it's our private job. So in that case we'll select others. And in nature of salary we'll select basic salary. So what is the basic salary? Let me check. 5,72,000. We need to click on add another, because we have leave encashment also. Need to search for the leave encashment option. So just put the amount and leave encashment 15441. So what is leave encashment? It means that you have not taken any leave, so that amount will be given to you as a part of your salary. So total is 15 lakh 10,000. All the things are correct. Yes, just click on add. After that, allowances of exempt income. In our case, we have got leave encashment, which is an exempt income. So we have to add another here. Search for any other. How much was the amount of leave encashment? 15441. Just click add. So standard deduction is already available, 50,000. So the in salary comes out to be 4,50,000 after all deductions. 4,50,072, 4,50,072. So it means it is correct. Click on confirm. So the salary column is also completed. Let the page load. Now let's move to the main part, capital gains. So let me discuss once again in this video that ITR 2 is not for traders, it is for investors only. For traders, they need to file ITR 3, which I will show in the next video. For investors, we need to file ITR 2. Click on capital gains schedule. So 111A is for short term capital gain or STCG. 112A is for long term capital gain or LTCG. Click on by selecting both these options and click on continue. Let the page load first, then I will show you. Yes. So this one is for triple one, as I told you, it is for short term capital gains. Click on add details. Let it load first. Yes, we need to select triple one A for short term capital gains. Click on this. So what is the meaning of full value consideration? It means the sales amount which you have sold the shares for. So in our case, we have sold it for 65,850. 65,850. 65,850. Cost of acquisition without indexation means the purchase amount for which you have purchased the stocks or shares. 39,760. So our profit is calculated accordingly. It is matching with our profit here. So if it had been loss, it will show negative here. But in our case it is profit, so for that it is showing positive. Otherwise, for loss it will show negative here. Click on add. The online portal is not at all working, but the offline portal is also very slow. So now let's fill the 1112A for long-term capital gain. Click on it. Yes. The add details, click on add details. We do not need to fill anything here. We just need to click on view schedule 112A. If you have already made a CSV, you can upload it here, but in our case, we'll fill that with our hand accordingly. So click on add details. Click on add details. So it has opened. So in this one, there are two options. On or before 31st January 2018. It means that if you have bought any shares before 31st January 2018, you have to fill 2-3 columns extra. But as you have bought after 31st January 2018, we do not need to fill 2-3 columns extra. So if you have bought before 31st January 2018, you need to fill these two columns. But in our case, you have bought after 31st January 2018, so we do not need to fill these two columns. We just need to put cost of acquisition, means the purchase amount. How much is the purchase amount? 68,000. Sale value 98,500. 98,500. Click on add. In our case, expenditure is 0. Click on add. So your profit or loss will be calculated automatically by the income tax portal. Just wait for a while, let it load. Yes. So as you can see, our profit has been calculated here. It is 30,500. Let us check with our Excel. It is matching 30,500. So just click on confirm. So this column is for virtual digital asset or crypto investing or trading. But in our case, we don't have any crypto investment. But for your reference, I will show it to you how to file it. Click on this column. Before filing this crypto investment, first download your statement from your respective app. Say for example WazirX or any other apps, for example Binance, etc. Click on add details here. Choose the date of acquisition in which you have purchased the crypto. Date of sale, you have to click here. Cost of acquisition, you have to click here in which you have purchased, and the sale amount you need to put here. Remember one thing, you will be taxed flat 30%. In case you are having loss or profit, you will be taxed flat 30% for crypto investing or trading. So keep that thing in mind. So in our case, we don't have anything. You will just click cancel. Back to schedule. So now we'll fill scheduled income from other sources. As we have income from other sources, say for example bank interest and other business freelancing income we have. So we'll put it here. So the page is loading till now also. So just give me a few time. Let the page load first. So our dividend income is matching 580. We need to put our interest income here 3353. So just edit our interest income because it is showing 61, but it will be 3353. So just edit. Click on edit. It will be 3353. Click on save. And also we have commission income. As you can see here, we need to also put it here. So let's put it here first. Let's click on this again. Let the page load first. So please wait for a while. Let the page load first. Click on add another. From here click on any other income. So in our case we have commission income. Just copy this and just simply paste it here. How much is the amount? 188,450. 188,450. Just click on add. So it is showing. So just click on confirm. Yesterday also my video took around 30 to 35 minutes to make the whole video. So it is not a work of, it is just only the work of 10 minutes, but the site is slow that it takes half an hour or more than that to make a single video. So just click on confirm. So our other income is also filled. Click on carried CYLA column, current year losses. You do not need to fill anything here, just click on confirm. Now let's click on BFLA, brought forward losses. We just need to click on compute setup. We do not need to do anything here as well. Click on compute setup. So now you have to fill carry forward losses to future years. You need to fill this column. In this column, all the losses that you have in the previous year or this year, it will carry it forward in the future years as well. So in our case, we have a loss of 64 which is being carried forward. So just in this also, we do not need to fill anything, just compute set off. So all the columns from our end is filled. So in this, we don't have any deductions, as because we are filing through the new tax regime, we don't get any deductions here. So let's click on schedule AMTC, click on this. Just click on confirm. Also part BTI, computation of total income, just click on it. Just click on confirm. So this was the last column. By this you can file your new tax regime form. So in our case, the tax payable is 4060. We need to pay through the pay now options, and thus our return will be completed. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. And please support me guys. I need your support. So it will motivate me a lot. So thank you for watching.